Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text outline or stroke effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and then as you can see I have created a project and I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to go to the text option and then select the default text, and then for example I'm just going to type in text outline like this. And if you want to create text outline or stroke effect, we can just scroll down until we find the stroke, and we're going to activate the stroke to create the text outline, and then you're going to change the color. For example, I'm just going to select the screen color. And as you can see guys, that the text outline has been created, and you can also customize the thickness if you want. You can increase the thickness like this, or you can also decrease it, and it's up to you. And now it's done. Now the text outline has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text outline or stroke effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!